Is it the French toast thing?
Oh my God. In Texas, we have amazing produce right now in the summer, so I put together this yummy recipe using fresh cherries. Woo, this smells so good. All right, this is a smoked breakfast idea. Today we are smoking French toast with fresh cherries. Let's go. This is a great barbecue brunch menu idea. You could smoke up some bacon on the side. It has a ton of eggs in it, literally a dozen eggs, and it all starts with this yummy challah bread.
Those are humongous.
Which is light, fluffy, and buttery.
The inside reminds me of a mountain. A yummy looking mountain.
Start by dicing the challah bread into 1 to 2 inch cubes and toss them into a large bowl. I've been loving these Vital Farms eggs they sent over for me to try. They're so nice and yellow inside. You need a dozen eggs, so crack them all into a bowl. Add cream, salt, cinnamon, and vanilla extract. Now you have your egg custard base for the French toast, and it's time to integrate it with the challah bread. There's really no better way to do it than get in there with your fingers and mash all of the bread up in it together. And then I like to add in some fresh summer fruit, so you could use peaches, strawberries, but today I'm using a little bit of lemon zest, which is going to add a little brightness to it. And then I'm adding in some cherries. I was so happy to get these super ripe cherries, and here is what I did with them. This was about 20 cherries halved with the pits removed, and then I combined it all with that egg mixture with the challah. My kitchen was smelling so good at this point. Then it's time to transfer over to a really large baking dish that you don't mind putting in your smoker. I'm usually able to get my dishes quite clean after smoking things, so that's not a problem here. I put in a 9 by 13 baking dish. It was very tall, like 3 or 4 inches on each side. Got all the mixture in there after putting some butter on the bottom to grease it up. Sprinkled with a tablespoon of brown sugar. You can get all of the recipe ingredients in the description, by the way, because I know it's a little bit to remember. And then this was ready to head to the smoker. You can also print these recipe instructions at sipbytego.com, and you can pick up my free barbecue ebook while you're there. If you have time, definitely chill this mixture about an hour before popping it in the smoker. But if not, just smoke it at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 to 45 minutes until the egg is completely set. Maybe you should get a video with me because it looks so good in her. Looks so good in her.
Is it the French toast thing?
Oh my God. Get away, get away. French toast casserole, gotta go in. Finish it off with some whipped cream, Cool Whip, maple syrup, sprinkle some bacon on top, whatever's gonna do it for you and your family. This is a really yummy brunch dish. I hope that you do try it. Sub in your favorite fruit. I will catch you here next time. Like, subscribe, and hang around for some more grilling tips. Really yummy, tasty recipes heading your way. Cheers.